All right, so today we're just going to be trying out this Liquid-Plumr. This is the special hair eliminator gel, and here in our guest bathroom, this drain has never worked properly. It's one of those kinds that has this little up and down doodad, so I think some of the problem has to do with this mechanism. It's just not working too well, but we're going to try this stuff out because we've tried a different brand. It's just kind of like a standard unclogger. This stuff is specifically designed for hair, which I think is what we need in the shower drain. So we're going to go ahead and try it out. So basically we're just going to pour that in there and give it 15 minutes and then flush and see if that helps speed things up in here. You can see that the consistency is definitely a lot thicker, and hopefully that means that it'll cling to and dissolve the hair a little bit better. And even though it's thicker, you can see it is running down, so that's a good sign. Okay, so with the 15 minutes now passed, we're going to go ahead and flush this with the warm water. We're just going to turn this all the way hot. And I can tell it did something because that initial splash of water sent a bunch of debris up that normally it doesn't. So that tells me it's broken some crud up down there. I'm going to go and do this a little bit. And there's a sound we haven't heard for a long time. So it actually did a really good job opening the drain back up. It probably flows twice as fast now, and the Liquid-Plumr did a good job clearing out our clog.